Hey Huns, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. We're jumping right into the video today. I'm basically going to be revamping, restyling this wig, you know, just getting it to look new again. And this is the Emma wig by Bobbi Boss, and I have a video of this wig on my channel when I first unpackaged it, so if you want to see what the hair looks like before this, make sure you check that out as well. So to begin, I detangled it with the wide tooth comb. Now I'm going to soak it under the faucet with lukewarm water or room temperature, and this is human hair, so you're not supposed to wash it with hot or warm water like you would your real hair, or it'll damage the hair. It smelled like a relaxer. So I'm just making sure it's completely wet. I'm going to also wet the inside of the cap. Now it's ready to be shampooed, and I'm using the Organics Argan Oil and Moroccan shampoo and conditioner today. You can get this at any drugstore. I got this years ago when I used to get sew-ins because this is good for virgin hair. But anyway, I'm trying not to really rub the shampoo in. I'm more so just trying to make sure that it's completely coated. And like I said, I didn't really have much, so now I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture shampoo here to just add some more to it. And now I'm going to rinse that out. I didn't think that really cleaned it well, so I'm going to go ahead and fill up the sink just a little bit and let the hair soak. I did it for about 10 minutes with the Shea Moisture shampoo. So now I'm just rinsing that all out and then draining it here. And now I'm going to go in with the conditioner and just again coat the hair with that. Make sure to get all the strands. And now I'm going to just comb that conditioner through from ends to roots, just to make sure that there's no more tangles in it, and to make sure that the hair is completely covered with the conditioner, or each strand has conditioner on it. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and soak it under the sink again. This is a cooler setting that I have it on. It's not really room temperature, it's more so cold but a little warm. So I'm just making sure that all of the conditioner is out. There's no product in this hair at all. And I'm going to wring it out again, getting as much water out as I possibly can. So now that it's damp, I'm going to go ahead and just tweeze the hairline a little bit, because when I first got it I didn't really know what I was doing, to be honest. And I didn't like how bulky it looked in the front, so I'm just going to try to tweeze some of that hair out. I can't do too much to it because the lace is like, that's it right there, what you can see, that's all the lace that's in the front, so I can't really tweeze too much. I'm just going to just take some of that bulk out of the front. So now I'm going to put it on. She is all dry. It did take a few hours. And as you probably saw in the last clip, I still had some lace left. That was when I used to like to leave the lace, but I don't really like to leave it because it's scratchy. So I'm just going to make sure it's all cut off. And look how pretty it is now after washing it. Okay, so I'm going to style it. I did leave a little bit of lace in the front, so I'm just cutting that part off. I combed out my edges on both sides just to cover up the hairline. And now I'm going to go ahead and just run my flat iron through it. I do it only once, maybe twice, just to bump the end a little. But yeah, I'm just going to do it once, and then I'm just going to speed this up here. All I'm doing is taking, you know, piece by piece, combing it out, running my flat iron through it really one time here, and that's it. And it is all completely flat ironed. It's so bouncy, so soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down now with my Got To Be Ultra Glued Gel. So I really just start with the sideburns. I didn't like how bumped the ends are, so I'm going to straighten those out. And this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I like this video if you did enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there are still more videos to come and I don't want you to miss out on any content. And follow me on my social media. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.